Okay, Penner, there's the barn. There's the houses. Face the properly way. Here's what we got going on over here. Trees. More trees. Then it goes back around the corner. All the way to the back by the salt lick. Dave's over by the other salt lick. I got all this up here. Now I'll walk you up towards the hives. I don't want to make this too long. I want to make sure that it's able to go over email or whatever. There's the bees. There's the other bees. This is the direction that it has to face according to the compass and crap. All right, dude. Hope you can help me out. I'm out.